Back in 1998, Deepak Bhatta shot to fame as the star of the hit film The Chocolate Factory. But the fairy tale ride did not continue. Is he really your agent?
Fortunately so. It does mean some dogs.
And some monkeys. We do monkeys if you happen to need any monkeys.
Not at the moment. Is it hard finding work for former child stars?
Such as?
Me, you buffoon!
Yes. I don't want to do kids' films. You find me a talking dolphin, that's where the money is. You give me a talking dolphin, I'll give you a star.
Keep your fucking noise down!
Excusez-moi. Idiot! Feck off!
Speak English, you bucket!
Je ne sais quoi dans ma part!
Yes, he is my agent.
Our teenage dream so hard to beat. Every time she walks down the street, another girl in a neighborhood. Wish she was mine, she looks so good. I wanna hold you, wanna hold